पहले ग्रिप ली, दूसरी ग्रिप ली और फिर एकदम चोक में गए और पकड़ लिया। और चोक का फोकस गला होता है। Whose name has appeared in Epstein files, and that businessman is not in jail. So I'd like to talk about Mr. Adani and the case in the United States against Mr. Adani, because that is a central part of the budget. Grip नहीं होती है तो कुछ नहीं होता है।
ये तो अच्छी बात कह रहे हैं, लेकिन
बोलने तो दीजिए
इसको अच्छी बात कह रहे हैं, हम उनको सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, हम उनको
सर थोड़ा
डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हैं।
सर give me some।
अरे आप बोलने दीजिए, आप उनको बोलने दीजिए। मैं चेयर पे हूँ, मैंने कहा आप अच्छी बात कह रहे हैं, इसको राष्ट्रपति
सर थोड़ा क्रिएटिव फ्रीडम, थोड़ा सा क्रिएटिव फ्रीडम तो दे दीजिए
प्लीज।
तो शुरुआत ग्रिप से होती है सर, और लक्ष्य होता है कि ग्रिप के एकदम आने के बाद चोक में जाए कि एनर्जी सिक्योरिटी गॉन। Now the United States will decide who we buy oil from.
Yes.
The United States will come to us and say, you cannot buy oil from so and so and so and so and so and so. Russia, Iran, whoever they want. They will decide. Our Prime Minister will not decide. Please understand, and they will monitor. They will keep a watch, meaning they will look, and if India buys oil from anyone they do not want, they will punish us. And they will take our tariffs right back to 50%. For the first time in Indian history, our farmers are facing a storm. Makka, soybean, lal jawar, kapas. You have opened the door. You have opened the door to mechanized American farms, thousands and thousands of acres each farm. You have opened the door to crush our poor farmers. It is disgraceful. It is disgraceful. No Prime Minister has ever done this before. And let me tell you, no Prime Minister after you is ever going to do it. So we are facing a storm. You accept that we are facing a storm. You yourself say the era of one superpower is over, intensifying geopolitical conflicts. You yourself say energy and finance weaponization, and you have allowed the Americans to weaponize our finance and our energy against us. What does it mean when America says you cannot buy oil from somebody? It means our energy is weaponized. What does it mean when they say your tariffs will go down, our tariffs will go down and yours will come up? It means finance trade is weaponized. So you are telling us that the world is a place where geopolitical conflict is intensifying. You're telling us energy and finance being weaponized, and then you're having it done to you. You're having it done to our farmers. You're having it done to our youngsters. You're handing our data over. How can you even make these statements? How can you even come to this house and talk this type of nonsense? Are you not ashamed of yourselves? Are you not ashamed of giving? Sir, ashamed is not an abuse. There's nothing, in saying, are you not ashamed, there is no abuse.
No, ashamed you can use.
I am just stating.
Whatever you have,
okay, sir, let me speak.
Forgotten, I think so.
I am saying, Speaker sir, I am saying that you have sold India. Are you not ashamed of selling India?
Yes.
Do you have no shame of selling India? You have sold our mother, Bharat Mata. Do you have no shame? But sir, the interesting thing is, I know that the Prime Minister would not sell India under normal circumstances. He will not do it. You know why he sold India? Because they are choking him.
Mr. Rahul, address to the chair, please.
He has sold India because they are choking him. They've got a grip on his neck. स्पीकर साहब, मैंने बोला जब चोक लगाते हैं दूसरे व्यक्ति की आंख में देखते हो तो डर दिखता है सर, पीएम की आंख में डर दिखता है, दिख रहा है सर आंख में आंख नहीं मिला पाते हैं। स्पीकर सर दो चीजें हैं सर, एक सर एप्स्टीन केस सर, 3 million files are still locked up.
उसका इस विषय से कोई संबंध नहीं। मैं क्यों बोल
I want to understand.
I will not allow you. नहीं, आप कौन होते हैं? आप बैठिए। नहीं, देखिए आप लगातार आपको 25 मिनट हो गया, किसी ने डिस्टर्ब नहीं किया।
Okay, Speaker sir, वो Epstein की बात नहीं कर रहा।
But that subject is not related with the budget.
Okay sir, I won't say Epstein.
I will not allow you. That will
I'm not saying Epstein.
चलिए।
Speaker sir, at the center of our budget, if you look carefully, at the center of our budget, like I said, jujitsu में grip दिखती है, राजनीति में grip choke नहीं दिखता. At the center of our defense budget is a choke applied by Mr. Adani. So I'd like to talk about Mr. Adani and the case in the United States against Mr. Ambani, because that is a central part of the budget.
वो भी इस हाउस के
Why, sir?
कोई सदस्य नहीं जिसपे आप आरोप लगा रहे हैं, कैसे सवाल देंगे? किसी पे माननीय लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन आप लिख करके दे सकते हैं। अगर आप जिस तरह का आरोप लगा रहे हैं,
स्पीकर सर,
आप नियम 352(5) और 354 को भी जानते हैं कि आप उनका नाम ले सकते हैं, लेकिन जिस तरह से आप एक मतलब हायर अथॉरिटी को या प्राइम मिनिस्टर को या सरकार को
नहीं सर,
उनके साथ जोड़ रहे हैं।
तो बोलने तो
आप नियम जानिए। आप नियम
सर, अदानी जी जो है,
आप अपने बजट तक सीमित रहिए। देखिए, आप जो भी चाहें अपनी बात कहें, आप अपनी बजट पे बात कहें, बजट
मैं कर रहा हूं सर,
बजट पे आलोचना
सर आप मुझे करने दीजिए।
आपको बिल्कुल लगा, आप बैठिए बेनी बहन जी, आप अपनी बात जो कह रहे हैं वो कहिए, लेकिन जब किसी का नाम लेकर के और किसी हायर अथॉरिटी करें तो आप ये सदन नियमों से चलेगा और आप इस तरीके से आरोप नहीं लगा सकते सरकार को।
सर मिस्टर अदानी is not an ordinary businessman. Mr. Adani's company is not an ordinary company. Please understand that the case in the United States is targeted at the Prime Minister of India, not at Mr. Adani.
नहीं, ये नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं। आप इस तरीके से बिल्कुल जो आप ये कह रहे हैं कि कहाँ, क्या बात आप कर रहे हैं?
It is targeted, sir, at the financial network of the BJP, at the financial architecture of the BJP.
You are leveling charges against higher authority, and only you can speak.
Speaker, sir, there is a businessman called Mr. Anil Ambani. I want to ask the question: why is he not in jail? The reason he's not in jail is because his name is in the Epstein files. That's why he's not in jail.
Rahul ji, जो भी
I'd also like to ask Mr. Hardeep Puri, who introduced him
Mr. Chair
to Epstein.
Mr. Rahul, no,
I know who introduced him.
आप एक बात मेरी सुन लीजिए पहले, कि चाहे आप अनिल अंबानी, मैं कह रहा हूँ, मैं अनिल अंबानी,
Sir, I know who introduced him.
जो जिस
and
तरीके
Mr. Hardeep Puri knows who introduced him.
चार्जेज लगा रहे हैं,
We both agree.
वो इस सदन का सदस्य नहीं है, चाहे वो अनिल अंबानी
Hardeep Puri है सर,
रानी हो,
Hardeep Puri is a member of parliament here.
आप जो चार्जेज लगा रहे हैं उसको सफाई करने का अवसर नहीं मिलेगा, उसको
He's a minister, sir.
उसका नाम नहीं लिया जाता।
Speaker sir, Anil Ambani is not a member of the House. He's not. So I can speak about Anil Ambani. He's a defense. He's involved in defense, sir. He's involved in defense. He's involved in defense budget.
Leave industry.
To explain his whatever you are leveling charges against him, I think so you will not take. Please.
So there is a certain businessman,
Yes.
whose name has appeared in Epstein files, and that businessman is not in jail. That businessman has criminal cases against him.
The subject. What file you are taking? No, Epstein file. No, not. How I can allow you? No. No, you are You are mentioning it as how if any file, if any subject is not related with the budget, you can't speak. Please, you can't speak. You can't speak. Rahul, you.
So I will tell you what. Well, I will.
आप
Sir, I
अपना
will
बजट पे ठीक ट्रैक पे
Okay,
थे,
sir.
अब क्यों
Sir, I will-
ट्रैक से जा रहे बाहर? Because you were on
Sir,
right track.
sir,
You were
Speaker, sir.
absolutely on right track.
Sir,
I
Speaker,
think
sir.
Why you are just
Speaker, sir, you are ex-Congress party member. So I will do you a special favor today, sir.
नहीं,
I will back down.
ये चार्ज है ना, ये भी कार्रवाई का हिस्सा नहीं बनेगा. मैं अगर आपको if you don't have any propriety for the chair, if you don't have, sometime your even present member of parliament used to occupy this chair, Selja Didi. Selja is also for
Speaker, sir,
and
you know
this is absolutely-
we know you have fondness for you.
Speaker,
you are an
Speaker
ex-member of our
has
party.
made it.
So
Absolutely.
I will not go very aggressive today.
Why you are mentioning too much?
You are a member of our party, sir. Ex-member.
Ex-member, na. But
And we are fond of you, sir.
I'm here.
We
here
like
as a
you.
I'm here as a presiding officer.
But we like you,
But
sir.
अगर हमारी बात आप
And we
मानते
know
हैं-
your heart is not there, sir.
अगर आप मेरी
We
बात
know your
मान-
heart is here, sir.
नहीं, मेरी बात अगर आप मानते तो वहाँ नहीं बैठे होते. आप अगर if you are sitting there, तो only because of you have not taken my advice. Here I'm advising you. Here if I'm advising that you should move on the correct track. So I think so. Still you have time. Still you have time to you should move on correct track.
As today, as you are a sir, in the spirit of our conversation, I will not say the name Epstein, and I will not say the name Anil Ambani, and I will not say the name. No, I will not say, sir.
नहीं बनेगा. You are a leader of opposition.
Okay.
और
So let me speak, sir.
Please, I think so.
I will not do it, sir.
The whole nation is watching you.
I know. I know
on
that.
one
That's
side-
why I'm saying it, sir.
On one side you are saying, I will not mention the name. Again you are mentioning the name.
I'm saying
So
I will not
think you are
mention.
not ready to avoid the name. Please.
Okay, anyway. So I will not go into the names. But I would like to say,
I think so. You have to speak only on budget. अरे बैठिए किसी आप बजट पे बोलिए ना.
Speaker, sir.
There is a general discussion on the union budget for 26,
Okay, sir, let me speak.
27. Okay. So I think
nice.
what
So, Speaker, sir,
अब तो
so I
नहीं-
will avoid that.
अब तो आप नहीं कहेंगे उस दिन आपने इनको
बोलने
कहा
तो
था।
दीजिए, sir. So, the point is that I do not believe that any Indian Prime Minister, including Mr. Modi, would sign such a deal unless there was a chokehold on him. So, but I do not, sir, this budget that you have.
So you and your member have not made any question. And I believe that day when Piyush Goyal had made a statement on the floor of the House.
सर मुझे आप कंक्लूड तो करने दीजिए सर.
चलिए, please.
नहीं तो यहाँ 2-3 और घंटे लग जाएंगे सर.
Okay, thank you.
आप चाहते हैं तो मैं लगा देते हैं सर.
नहीं, kindly conclude.
So, we have buckled on tariffs. We have handed out our data, given up control over digital trade rules, no data localization, free data flow to USA, limit on digital tax, no source code disclosure, and 20-year tax holiday. The most valuable asset that India has and will ever have has been handed over. Our farmers have been left to the mercy of mechanized, massive American farms. Our textiles have been wiped out. Bangladesh now is going to wipe out our textile industry. Our energy security has been handed over. We can't buy oil from who we want to buy oil from. Now, I don't believe any Indian Prime Minister would do this. Logic ही नहीं है सर. लॉजिक नहीं है सर. ये जो हुआ है सर, ये पूरा सरेंडर है. सर आपने ज्यादा बोलने दिया मुझे आज. सर आपने मुझे थोड़ा ज्यादा जाने दिया आज.
बात आ गई.
तो दिस इज अ होलसेल सरेंडर, and it is a tragedy because it is a surrender not just of the Prime Minister. He has surrendered the future of 1.5 billion Indians. And he has surrendered the future because he wants to protect the BJP's financial architecture, on which there is a case in the United States. He has surrendered. I'm not saying anything.
एक रूलिंग है. आप रिपीट बार-बार एक चीज को हम रिपीट कर रहे हैं. हमने शुरू से सर आप लोग बैठिए ना, ये बोल सकते हैं. बोलने दो तो. इसको कोई रूल मालूम नहीं है, पीछे से खड़े हो जाते हैं बिना मतलब का. इनका लीडर ऑपोजिशन को डिस्टर्ब करते हैं. सर आपने एक रूलिंग दिया है.
मिस्टर राहुल
सर,
बीइंग अ पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर मिनिस्टर, ही इज सेइंग.
मेरा एक पॉइंट ऑफ ऑर्डर जो आपने रूलिंग दिया है, मैंने तब भी कहा, राहुल गांधी जी ने बार-बार रिपीट किया. हमने फिर भी कहा कि आप नेक्स्ट सब्जेक्ट पे जाइए, हम लोग सुनने के लिए बैठे. आप फिर से रिपीट किया. दो तीन मुद्दे आपने प्रधानमंत्री जी का नाम लेकर के आप जो शब्द इस्तेमाल किया और जो आपने एलिगेशन लगाया, मैं चेयर के माध्यम से मैं आपको अनुरोध करता हूं, और ये मेरा डिमांड भी है कि आपने जितना एलिगेशन लगाया है, चेयरमैन ने रूलिंग देने के बावजूद भी आपने एलिगेशन लगाया, आपको ऑथेंटिकेशन करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि आप लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन है. आप मामूली आप सामान्य सदस्य नहीं है. यू आर द लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन. व्हेन यू स्पीक ऑन सर्टेन थिंग, देयर इज अ सीरियस connotation.
Kindly take seat.
I would urge honorable leader of opposition, because he is the leader of opposition, all the points he has made have serious repercussion. He must authenticate on all the allegations he has made.
I will authenticate right now. I've got it.
You have
Because sir, let me authenticate.
Kindly. Already you have taken 45 minutes. Kindly.
Sir, let me authenticate, sir.
But kindly.
Sir, he has said to authenticate. I will authenticate right now.
That you have to just give in advance, and that you have to.
No, sir. I will authenticate right now. I'm authenticating.
मैं आपसे नहीं मांग.
I will say it and then I will give it.
No, Mr. Rahul ji.
I will say it now and I will give it.
नहीं राहुल जी.
I have it here.
ये पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर ने कहा, चेयर आपसे नहीं मांग रही अभी.
Sir, you have asked for authentication now. You're not giving it to me.
आप अपनी स्पीच को रखिए. आप रखिए अपनी स्पीच को. आपको मिस्टर प्लाजी.
शायद ऑथेंटिकेशन वो क्या समझे, इधर ऑथेंटिकेट करता हूँ, ऑथेंटिकेट नहीं है. ही शुड प्रोड्यूस द प्रॉपर डॉक्यूमेंट, प्रॉपर रिकॉर्ड, अदरवाइज और साइन करके देना है, अदरवाइज ऑथेंटिकेट.
आप उनको बोलिए भाषण. सर यूएस गवर्नमेंट ने ऑथेंटिकेट कर दिया था.
Speaker.
आप कंक्लूड करें.
Sir, Speaker, sir. Minister has asked me.
फिर मिनिस्टर की बात मत करिए.
But बोलो तो सर. Conclude तो करने दीजिए सर.
conclude करिए.
Sir, Minister of Parliamentary Affairs has asked me to authenticate my allegations. I have them written here. I am going to authenticate.
Oh, that is a procedure. मतलब
I will also give the procedure.
So then you have to follow that procedure.
Yes, but I want to.
Here you are only speech
No, but
and
I want to
budget.
authenticate.
Only you just conclude your budget speech, because if you want to submit something, so please in future you can just according to your procedure, then you have to submit. Please.
Okay. Speaker, sir, the evidence, sir, is in Department of Justice files that have been released in the United States. Hardeep Puri's name is in it. Anil Ambani's name is in it.
ऐसा नहीं बनेगा राहुल जी
Sir, the
जानबूझकर
evidence is
आपने
that government of India has refused to serve summons
Mr.
to Adani for last 14.
Mr. Rahul, you have made it promise. Mr. Rahul, you have made it promise to the chair. I will not mention the name of minister, but you are repeatedly just mentioning the name. How you can? You have made it promise. No. You have made it promise. Mr. K.C. Venugopal बैठिए. I am not allowing you. K.C. Venugopal जी बैठिए. I am only talking to Rahul. I am not allowing to you. If I have already, if you have made it promise to the chair, I am not going to mention the name of any minister, not the member, and repeatedly, it means you are defying the even ruling of the chair also.
Okay.
कोई कार्रवाई किस तरह नहीं
Speaker, sir.
नहीं ये
Let me speak, sir.
जब एक बार आपने कहा मैं नाम नहीं लूंगा,
नाम नहीं लिया,
उसके
सर.
बाद नहीं फिर ले रहे हैं.
नहीं लिया, सर.
नहीं ये
नहीं लिया.
लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन का तरीका नहीं है. आपने शुरू में कहा कि
स्पीकर साहब, बोलने तो
मैंने
दीजिए, खत्म
व्यवस्था
करता
दी,
हूं,
मैंने पीठ से व्यवस्था दी, और आप इसके बाद कह रहे हैं. आप ये बताइए कि ये हाउस आज बजट स्पीच है जनरल. इसके पहले महामहिम राष्ट्रपति का अभिभाषण था. अगर महामहिम राष्ट्रपति के अभिभाषण पे क्या भाषण होता है, बजट पे आपकी क्या स्पीच होनी चाहिए, डिमांड फॉर ग्रांट्स में क्या स्पीच होनी चाहिए, आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि आज जनरल बजट पे आपका क्या विषय होना चाहिए. आप महामहिम राष्ट्रपति के भाषण पे जो बोल सकते हैं वो वहाँ बोलना चाहिए, तो वहाँ नहीं बोले. अब आप बजट पे बोल रहे, कल डिमांड फॉर ग्रांट्स होगा किसी बिल पे, तो ये सदन अलग अलग जब विषयों पे होता है. नहीं, आज आप बोलने तो दूंगा, बोलने तो दूंगा, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं कि बिना नियमों के आप बोलेंगे. या जब आपको एक बार चेयर से कोई रूलिंग होती है, आप देखिए इसी चेयर से रूलिंग हुई, सारे मेंबर्स कितने संतुष्ट होंगे. सभी अगर मेंबरशिप पार्लियामेंट के किसी भी पार्टी के बात किया जाए तो स्पीकर साहब के रात को 12 बजे तक सभी मेंबर्स को बुलाते हैं, और आपको बोलने का समय दिया जा रहा था, तब भी आप एक वोट ऑफ नो कॉन्फिडेंस ला रहे हैं. तो आज जिस तरीके से आप करेंगे, क्या बात आप करें, ऐसे थोड़ी तरीका होता है.
आप ही बोलते रहेंगे.
Allow him to conclude, sir.
देखिए के.सी. वेणुगोपाल जी, जब राष्ट्रपति के भाषण पे भी स्पीकर साहब लगातार अलाउ कर रहे थे, आप बाहर जाके कहते थे स्पीकर साहब बोलने नहीं दे रहे. आज आप 40 मिनट से बोल रहे हैं, फिर कह देंगे आपको बोलने नहीं दिया जा रहा है. आप 45 मिनट में बोल रहे हैं, फिर आप बोलने नहीं दे रहे. चलिए खत्म करिए.
Speaker sir, I'm concluding. Speaker sir, I'm concluding now. I only started to say that because the minister said that I should authenticate. Now I have the papers to authenticate. I have it here. 1 second, please. I have the paper. Now I said to you, 1 second, I have the documents here. I said to you that I will authenticate, and I will also I will authenticate right now, and I will put it there on the table. But you're not allowing me to do it. Anyway, I understand that. I understand it. I understand you don't want me to authenticate here. You want me to authenticate there. That's not a problem. What I want to conclude with, sir, is we are heading into turbulent times, and the nation has been sold. The nation has been sold out. Its data has been sold. Its farmers have been sold.
Already you have said. I think so.
Can I conclude?
Conclude.
Sir, its farmers have been sold. In a turbulent world, all its software engineers have been sold out. Its small and medium businesses have been sold out. And most importantly, our forces and our energy security has been sold out. Thank you, Speaker.
Thank you.